are gonna show you how to make pancake because I really like pancake. So I will try to make a pancake. We need 1 cup of flour, tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk, a piece of egg, 2 tablespoons of baking powder,
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. So season it with every flavor you want, vanilla or chocolate. We're gonna add some flour in the bowl and put some cinnamon. That's enough actually. We're gonna add
Yes, that's the sugar.
And the baking powder.
Okay, put now in the bowl.
Okay. Together or one by one?
Yes, one by one. First the sugar. We're gonna add it on the flour. And then next, the 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, now get the whisk and mix it all up.
Okay.
Yes,
Some milk, and we're gonna add some oil.
first,
We're gonna add the egg.
yes. Put it all in. Next is
Egg will after that we're gonna get some milk and put it in. There we go. And then some oil.
yes.
And now we're gonna mix it.
Yes, we're gonna mix it up.
Mix it up. It's good. It looks like a pancake now. It's shaped like a pancake. It's like the color of the pancake. Now we're gonna put
Yes, we're gonna get 1/3 cup of the butter. And then we will put it on the pan. So guys, we didn't use oil because we use non-stick pan. If you don't have non-stick pan, you can put a little bit of oil or butter first into the pan so your pancake won't stick. Now we're just gonna wait 1 minute for the pancake to bubble up. When it's bubble up, it's ready to flip.
Look at the pancake. It's bubbling up.
Yes.
The pancake will become soon. Hello. The shadow is here.
Can you flip this pancake?
I don't know if I can.
I think it's ready to flip now. Can you try to flip it?
I don't know if I can. I don't know.
Whoa! Yeah. 1 pancake down.
It looks like a whale.
Really?
Yeah, look, it looks like a whale. It's like water flowing down and there's like the tail right
You
there.
made a wheel pancake.
Yeah, I did.
So 1 pancake is ready. Now we're gonna put 1 more. Put 1 butter more into the pan.
Okay, we're gonna make another one.
Of course, we're gonna cook that all. There you go.
Okay, it's ready to flip up. Ready, set.
Whoa! Second pancake.
It looks like an apple.
Next time maybe we can make a bear pancake.
Oh, that would be
Yes, before I was making a bear pancake for you, right?
It's like a burger.
So our pancakes are ready. It's all been cooked. So on that recipe, you can make 4 inches diameter of pancake.
Start? Okay, I'm now gonna try the pancake. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna take my milk too. I hope you guys will pretty fine.